Hello everyone, my name is Zulaikha binti Asmail El Ismail with metric number BM25110073. Today, I will be presenting about hematology, which is the branch of medicine that focuses on blood, its component, blood-forming organs, and blood disorders. Blood plays a crucial role in maintaining life because it is involved in transport, regulation, and protection. Through this presentation, I will explain the anatomy, physiology, biochemistry of blood, followed by thalassemia, advanced technology in hematology, and a hematology specialist. So, let's go! First, we'll go through the anatomy of blood. Our blood consists of four main components: plasma, erythrocyte, leukocyte, and platelets. Each component has a unique structure that supports its specific function. So first, which is plasma, makes up about 55% of blood volume and is mainly composed of water. It serves as a transport medium for nutrients, hormones, waste products, and plasma proteins such as albumin, globulins, and fibrinogen. These proteins help maintain osmotic pressure, immunity, and blood clotting. Erythrocytes or red blood cells are biconcave and lack a nucleus. This shape increases surface area for efficient gas exchange and allow flexibility when passing through narrow capillaries. They contain hemoglobin, which is essential for oxygen transport. Next, leukocytes or white blood cells are nucleated cells involved in immune defense. Different types such as neutrophil, lymphocyte, and monocyte protect the body against infection through phagocytosis and immune response. Platelets are small cell fragments derived from megakaryocytes in the bone marrow. Although they are not complete cells, they play a vital role in blood clotting and preventing excessive bleeding. Next, we'll go through the physiology of blood. So, blood performs three major physiological functions: transport, regulation, and protection. In transport, blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues and returns carbon dioxide to the lungs for excretion. It also delivers nutrients such as glucose and amino acids, transport hormones to target organs, and remove metabolic waste like urea and carbon dioxide. In regulation, blood helps maintain body temperature by distributing heat, stabilize blood pH using buffer system, and regulates fluid and electrolyte balance to support normal cellular activity. In protection, leukocytes and antibodies defend the body against infection, while platelets and protein factors prevent excessive blood loss through clot formation. These functions are interconnected. For example, during exercise, blood flow increases to muscle to enhance oxygen delivery, carbon dioxide removal, and heat dissipation. Blood biochemistry focuses on the molecular processes that allow blood to function effectively. Hemoglobin in red blood cells contains iron in its heme group, which binds oxygen reversibly. Cooperative binding allows hemoglobin to efficiently load oxygen in the lungs and release it in tissues where oxygen levels are low. Carbon dioxide in transport mainly as bicarbonate ions, helping regulate blood pH. Erythrocytes produce energy through glycolysis because they lack mitochondria. They also rely on the pentose phosphate pathway to produce NADPH, which protect them from oxidative damage. Plasma contains proteins, electrolytes, hormones, and enzymes that support circulation, immunity, metabolism, and homeostasis. Any disruption in these biochemical processes can lead to blood disorders such as anemia or clotting abnormalities. Next is thalassemia. So thalassemia is an inherited blood disorder caused by abnormal synthesis of globin chains, leading to chronic anemia. It is classified into alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia depending on which globin chain is affected. This imbalance results in unstable hemoglobin and ineffective red blood cell production. Patients typically show microcytic hypochromic red blood cell with abnormal shapes such as target cell, which reduce oxygen delivery and increase red blood cell destruction. Severe cases may present with fatigue, failure, hepatosplenomegaly, and growth retardation. Long-term complications include iron overload due to repeated blood transfusion. Advances in medical technology have greatly improved thalassemia management. Hemoglobin analysis using HPLC and electrophoresis allows early detection and accurate classification of thalassemia. Molecular diagnostics such as PCR and DNA sequencing identify specific chain mutation and are useful for carrier detection. Prenatal diagnostic techniques like chorionic villus sampling, amniocentesis, and non-invasive prenatal testing help prevent severe thalassemia through early screening. Blood transfusion innovation ensures safer long-term treatment, while oral iron chelation therapy and MRI monitoring help manage iron overload. Curative treatments, including hematopoietic stem cell transplantation and gene therapy, offer promising long-term solutions. Dr. Zulaikha is a consultant hematologist and internationally recognized researcher in inherited blood disorders. She is a professor of molecular hematology and has made major contributions to understanding the genetic basis of thalassemia. Her work combines clinical care, laboratory research, and global education, helping improve diagnosis and management of thalassemia worldwide. In conclusion, hematology plays a crucial role in understanding blood function, disease mechanism, and modern medical treatments. With advancements in technology and specialist expertise, conditions such as thalassemia can now be diagnosed early and managed more effectively, improving patient outcomes and quality of life. That's all from me. Thank you.